Hello everyone. In the last video we have solved one numerical question on the soil water relationships. So today we'll solve one more problem. So just carefully observe what he has given in the problem. A soil specimen has a water content of 10%. That means water content he has given 0.10 and a wet unit weight of 20 kilonewton per meter cube. Wet unit weight means gamma B. Gamma B is equal to 20 kilonewton per meter cube. 20 kilonewton per meter cube. If the specific gravity of solids is 2.70, specific gravity of solids means G value, Gs is equal to G suffix S, 2.70. Determine. So now what he is asking, determine dry unit weight. Dry unit weight means gamma D. So gamma D is equal to what? And then void ratio, E is equal to what? And next degree of saturation, S is equal to what? And he has mentioned gamma W is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter cube. So sometimes if it is given, then we can directly take the value of gamma W as the given value. If it is not given, then I already told you how to take and how much value we have to consider in problems if the specific data is not mentioned. So yeah, now we'll solve this question. So first what he has given, gamma D, gamma 40 he asked us to find out, gamma D he asked us to find out. So we can simply calculate that gamma D. So how? Gamma D is equal to, we know gamma B bulk unit weight and we know water content, so gamma D can be calculated, G gamma W by, not G gamma W, this formula we should not use because, yeah, gamma B by 1 plus W, gamma B by 1 plus W. So gamma B is equal to what? 20 kilonewton per meter cube, 20 kilonewton per meter cube divided by 1 plus water content is equal to how much? 0.10. So gamma B is equal to 20 and water content is equal to 10. So if you calculate 1.10 20 divided by answer, so it is coming around 18.18 kilonewton per meter cube. So if you know the value of, so if you know the value of gamma D, then E can be calculated. How E can be calculated? So because we have the relation, I am directly writing E is equal to G gamma W by gamma D minus 1. So E value G value he has given 2.70 and gamma W 10, gamma D just now we have calculated 18.18. So if we can write 2.70 into gamma W 10 divided by gamma D we have calculated just now 18.18 kilonewton per meter cube minus 1. So if you calculate this one, 2.70 into 10 divided by 18.18 minus 1. So this E value is coming around 0.4851 or 48.51%. Okay, so E also we have found out, and next one is S. degree of saturation. S means degree of saturation. So we know that E into S is equal to Gs into W, G suffix S. So degree of saturation is equal to E, we know 2.70, and water content he has given, how much he has given? 0.10 he has given. 0.10 divided by E we just now we have calculated 0.4851. So how much will be the S value? 2.70 into 0.10 divided by 0.4851. It is coming around 0.55658 or 55.66%. Degree of saturation is equal to 55.66%. So nothing he has been asked, right? So this kind of problem is already covered in practice question 1, but we'll practice. If you practice 6 to 8 questions on this soil water relationships, then you will be habituated. Then you will be knowing like which formula to use, and you will be recollecting very quickly if you keep on solving these questions. So gamma D we have calculated, and E we have calculated, and degree of saturation also we have calculated. So in the next video we'll solve one more question. So thanks for watching my video. If you feel the content is useful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.